to capture this because I've done this a couple times, but I just realized I had never shared this. When I clean my tip out, I use a beading needle, and the last couple times I was able to clean my tip out fast enough that I'm able to get all of those stones. It is 6, 9, 11 more stones with the glue remaining in the tip. So that just, well, these are the SS16s, so glue to be actually gluing the SS16s, not the little tiny ones. So what I did was I took my beading needle, the last couple ones, and I stuck it in there, and I was able to squeeze out that for like 6, maybe 5. And then on the inside, this area right here, I took the needle and wiped the edges. Let me see. So I wiped the edges out, and then I wiped and I turned the glue to get a couple more stones there. So I did, I think it was 3, and then I did 3, and then I did the 5. So that's when you're ready to clean your tubes out, your applicator tubes. Be ready to put a few more stones in there just from the glue from your tip. What I do is I squeeze, when I'm ready to stop, I squeeze the rest of the glue actually back in my tube. So I squeeze that from just this part. So I take the tip off and I squeeze it back from this large opening back into the actual glue container, and then I take the tip and clean the inside of it out. So last night I did that like twice, and I realized that, wait, I'm wasting a lot of glue if I'm able to get all of these just from the glue that's in there. Normally I just like let it sit for a couple of minutes, and you can see now it's totally cleaned out just from me wiping the sides on the inside of that part twice, and then sticking the needle through the metal part. I'm able to get several more on there. All right, that's my money saving tip for the day.